ang laking pasasalamat natin nandito tayo sa bayan na gives us the opportunity. So, yung lahat ng mga layunin natin na yun, we can realize it here in the UAE and we can be what we can be. Nangyayari yan eh. Natutuwa ko every time nag-attend ako ng event. Pati kahapon, dati po itong ganito. Ay, ano na po ito? Ito na po yung negosyo, ito na po yung nagawa niya. Ito na po yung business niya. Yung mga ibang industriya, yung mga cargo, food, dito, even mga cosmetic, mga beauty. They all started small. We thrive here because of the open, inclusive, and tolerant society that we have here. But on the final word, I would like to say that this would not have happened if not for the policies of this country, not for the people of this country who have accepted that. Call us kabayan, ate,